Hello everyone, my name is Lawrence from Invest in East African Stock Market channel, a channel that talks about investing in stock market and also encourages you to save, and also where I share my experience of investing in stock market using dividend value investing strategy to reach financial independence. Today I'm going to be sharing yet another very important topic, especially to those people who save less and also earn less, and also think that the money they are saving or they are making is not enough to make anything or to do anything or to invest in anything. So today I will be discussing how you can invest 2,000 Kenyan shillings in stock market. So let us begin. Before even thinking of putting money in stock market, you have to look for a broker. Actually, I did a video of how you can invest in 3 East African stock exchanges: Uganda Securities Exchange, Dar es Salaam Securities Exchange, and also Nairobi Securities Exchange. So if you're not sure of how you can get a broker, please, I advise you to first watch my first video I did regarding investing in stock market. Second is, if the 2,000 that you want to invest in stock market is very important to you, that you may need that money anytime, I think stock market is not a very good idea. The reason is very simple, because stock market is very volatile. It can reduce anytime, it can also appreciate anytime. So by the time you may need the money, you may find that the stock market has declined, and at the end of the day you lose the money. So that is another thing. Another third thing is, as you know, I'm a dividend value investor, and also if you're also planning to invest that 2,000, I would advise you to look for a company that pays dividends. The reason is very simple, because at the end of the month, quarter, or when it makes profits, to give you some of the dividends which you can use to invest again in stock market. Another thing that you have to know before also investing in stock market is, since you have little money, it's not a good idea to invest in many companies. So you have to look for the best company that would maximize your potential to invest. So myself, I would invest in only one company. So let us begin the specifics, or which companies, if I had 2,000, I would invest in to give me value for the money. Number one favorite company is Cooperative Bank Kenya. Actually, at the moment is trading at 12 Kenyan shillings per share. It has declined actually for the past like four months. It was trading around 15 Kenyan shillings per share, but as of now, as I record this video, it is trading at 12 Kenyan shillings 0.45 per share. So it's a good opportunity for entrance. It's not only that its share value has declined, the fundamentals of the bank are sound. If you go to price to earnings ratio, it's very low, around 8, which means to take you less than even 10 years to recover your money. Also, if you check its price to book ratio, it's almost very good. You're almost buying a company at discounted price. So for example, let us take 12.45 Kenyan shillings per share. As you know, or you may not know, that on any East African stock exchange, you need to buy a minimum of 100 shares to start investing or to start buying any stock or any company. So you need a minimum of 100 shares in order to buy a company. So for example, as I told you, Cooperative Bank is selling at 12.45, so you'll have to multiply by 100 shares, which will also you have to add 2% like taxes or transaction fee, which will give us around 1,266, around there. So that's the cost of buying 100 shares for Cooperative Bank. So you can see you will be having the balance of around 700. So if you want, you can buy another company, the other companies which are under below 7 Kenyan shillings. But if you're not convinced that with other companies that are trading below 7 Kenyan shillings per share, you can wait. When you get more money, you can add so that you can buy more of Cooperative Bank. So that is number one favorite company. Second favorite company that I would buy if I had 2,000 Kenyan shillings is Barclays Bank Kenya. Actually, it's now going to be transformed into Absa Bank. It's a very good bank. Like it pays very well when it comes to dividend. Actually, at the moment, it is the one that has the highest dividend yield of almost 10.5. So if you invest in Barclays Bank, you'll be getting the dividend of almost 10% per year if it pays dividend. Because as you know, dividends, they are not very reliable. It may reduce or may increase. But the current price, you can get a dividend of 10% per year. So that's one reason why I would invest in Barclays Bank. Another also, it has not been doing very bad in terms of performance. It has been doing well. It has been profitable, and also if you see to price to earnings ratio and price to book ratio, it is not bad. So if you get, at the moment as I record this video, it is trading at 10.35 Kenyan shillings per share. So if you get that 10 and 30.35 Kenyan shillings, you multiply by 100 Kenyan shillings, Kenyan 100 shares, it will give you around, and also you have to remember that there are some transaction charges, which is 2% of every transaction. So it will give you around 1,070, around there, 1,070 in a whole transaction. So you can see also you're remaining with around 900 balance. If you have more money, you can add on so that you can buy like 200 shares. But if you don't have, you can also look for other undervalued stock which are under 9 Kenyan shillings. So there are many other companies which are below 9 Kenyan shillings, but you have to make your own research and buy the best companies that you feel that is the company you would wish to own. As I told you before, you need to do your own research, because this is my own opinion. You also have to have your own opinion. So those were my 2 favorite companies that I would invest in if I had 2,000 Kenyan shillings. Let me also know what you would wish to buy, what you would want to buy if you had 2,000 Kenyan shillings. Please comment for anything you would wish me to talk about. If you have any suggestion, if you had also any criticism, please let me know your suggestions by commenting in also comment section below. And also don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell notification if you haven't subscribed, so that you don't miss the videos of such a kind. Once again, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.